Yo, what's up guys? So this is our day 44 out of 365. Today's run, meron lang tayong easiest run. So 30 minutes to. So siguro mga kaya natin ng mga at least 5k. Pero nag-i-start na ako. So siguro mga basta isakto ko ng 5k. 6 minutes per kilometer. So come and join me. Let's run. Let's go. 1k 6:34. 2K 652, 3K 637, 4K 620, 5K 708. So that's our day 44. So this is an easy run. So naka total of 5K tayo ngayong araw. And masaya naman tayo kasi pawis na pawis. So I just always saying na be wealthy, be healthy, stay active, always run for your life. Let's go.